a rainy start, but that's a good thing as long as you're safe. I know I was out on the roads. I'm always aware of like hydroplaning, and especially at the hour when it's dark, if y'all are driving out pretty soon. Didn't seem to be an issue because it's just kind of that pitter-patter rain that's nice to take a nap to.
It really is. Wouldn't it be nice just to reset your alarm and just go back to sleep for a little bit? Well, I want to show you where we've been over the past 24 hours when it comes to some of those rainfall totals. You'll notice that the bulk of this has been just within the past 6 hours. So 24 hours ago, this is what we've got. But then I want to take you back just a bit. Most of that obviously being within the 6-hour time frame, and then 3-hour time frame, you'll notice. But as Ben pointed out, it is more of a pitter-patter. So this is how much rain we've had over 1 hour. It's nothing too substantial. So you are going to notice those showers slowly starting to accumulate as far as amounts are concerned. But we're really going to notice things truly getting heavier and steadier as we approach the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. Now, Murfreesboro, you haven't had a ton as of yet. I mean, we're talking less than 0.05 of an inch. Current temperature for y'all coming in at 72 degrees. And here's a look when it comes to our visibility map. Obviously, where you do have a little bit of a heavier downfall, you are going to have slightly altered visibility issues for you. And as been pointed out, hydroplaning, especially this early in the morning, be mindful of that, even on major interstates. I know on I-65 this morning, there was some standing water off on some of those shoulders. Here's a live look for you, though, at the Power of 5 radars. How refreshing is it to have rain being popped up? None of this is severe. In fact, I haven't had any lightning strikes so far this morning. Now, once we get a little lull this afternoon, a little sunshine tries to come through, we could have some thunderstorms with some gusty winds, but this is not going to be a severe outcry type of a situation. Just nice, needed nourishment. Right now over in Hopkinsville, especially on the south side, going into the southern side of Christian County, got some heavy showers for y'all. That slowly is moving its way north-northeast. Carlisle, you're covered up, as well as making our way eventually Clarksville. A lot of that seems to be dancing around y'all at the moment. Columbia having some heavy downpours for you guys, as well as down into Elkton, and then you get closer, making your way into Lebanon, north of Watertown, some heavy showers. Again, none of these are severe. It's just some rain, and needed rain at that. Current temperatures right now are coming in the upper 60s and 70s, and because we are going to have quite a bit of cloud cover, accompanied with some showers, temperatures aren't going to fluctuate a ton. We're actually going to stay with highs in the 70s for all of us today. Now, the cold front itself is still pretty far to our north and off to the west. The main rain event is really going to happen this morning, ahead of the cold front itself. Once that system gets closer, we'll have the opportunity for some gusty winds and some more scattered showers. But as far as more of the inconvenience, as far as the rain is concerned, that's going to be happening over the next few hours. We also have some winds continue to gust at times around 20 miles per hour over into Crossville, 16 in Camden, and I'll look for some of our winds even to gust closer into the 30s at times. And because we haven't had a lot of wind as of recent, don't be surprised if you notice a lot of leaves that are falling, or you've got a branch or two that are down. It's not because of anything severe. It's just finally able to loosen up what was already trying to fall, but we're able to have a little bit of wind to have it make it go faster. When it comes to our exact track, you'll notice we are going to have those heavier showers north of I-40, particularly along the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, as well as making our way across the plateau. Around lunchtime, things become very isolated in nature. And where we get a little more sunshine and then a thunderstorm behind it, that will provide instability. So wouldn't be surprised to have some gusty winds with some of these cells, but overall that severe threat is very low. Can't rule out a rogue severe thunderstorm, but it would be more of a gusty wind type situation. We'll see these continuing to move through around 5, 6 o'clock this evening. And if you got to compare rush hours this morning versus this evening, this morning is going to be the messier one, although we'll still have some chances as we make our way throughout the afternoon. Making our way to tomorrow morning, we'll still have some clouds with us. Can't rule out a spotty shower across the plateau. Then by Wednesday lunchtime, those clouds are out of here. Winds are out of our north. It is lovely, it is breathable, and it feels nice and seasonable. As far as rain chances, though, are concerned, really looking to have the highest amounts, those areas north of I-40, right along the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. Some of you could have an additional 2 inches, particularly parts of Christian County. Once we get this system out of here, pure skies, lovely, easy conditions will be with us as we make our way throughout the weekend and even starting out next week. What you will notice, though, is temperatures slowly start to climb back up. Your 7-day forecast, highs today will top out at 77. Scattered showers, the heaviest amount happening this morning. By the afternoon, very scattered in nature. We'll have some gusty winds alongside. Tomorrow morning, it's still going to be pretty mild. We'll be in the 60s because of the clouds that will still be with us. By the afternoon, 75. Lovely, bright skies, nice, breathable, and it's actually going to have a little crisp component to it. And you'll really notice that as we make our way into Thursday morning. I look for some of y'all across the plateau to be in the 40s. The rest of us, including the city, will be in the 50s. We'll do that not only Thursday morning, but also Friday morning. Afternoon highs Thursday going to be the coolest at 73, 75 going into Friday. And as we make our way into the weekend, we do warm back near 80 degrees.